Hello. I'm Br who is studying game development with you guys. This time, the Indie Innovation Sale has started on the Unity Asset Store. This sale runs from July 27 to August 31 and is divided into 3 periods. The list of assets with 40% discount varies during each period. First, from July 27 to August 9, 180 assets will be discounted as a concept to inspire developers' projects during the inspiration period. And as part of the Indie Innovation Sale, discount coupons for each purchase amount are also provided. Use this coupon to get an extra discount on every purchase over a certain amount. Get an extra 5% off your purchase of $100 or more, 10% off your purchase of $175 or more, and an additional 15% off your purchase of $250 or more. Please note that the discount is only applied to items on sale, and the coupon code is different for each sale period. However, there is no limit to the number of times the coupon can be used, so you can use it as much as you like. This is the coupon code for this Indie Innovation Sale inspiration period. You can visit the asset store through the link at the bottom of the video, look at the discounted assets, and purchase the assets you need. Buying assets through this link will pay me a commission. Of course, just because a fee is paid to me does not mean that the cost of the assets I purchase increases. So you can support my channel by purchasing the assets you need. In this video, we talked about the Indie Innovation Inspiration Sale on the Unity Asset Store. This video was produced with the donate and watching of the viewers. It was Br's Game Development YouTube. Thank